Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I'm now dealing with 10th class maths trigonometry, and in that I have done example up to 10. Now I am doing example 11. Example 11. What is this? Express sine 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles 0 degrees and 45 degrees. What does this mean, children? We have got the value as sine 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees. So these 81 degrees are more than 45 degrees. So they are asking that this 81 degrees which are there for sine and tan, you need to convert them in terms of the angles between 0 and 45 only. It should not cross 45. So what you have to do? You can write sine 81 degrees as sine. See, remember this children. It is easy if you do this rough work. 90 minus what 81 is given, you write. How much you are getting? 9. So sine 81 can also be written as sine 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. 90 degrees minus 9 degrees is 81 only. Similarly, sine 90 minus, this is in the form of sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So you will be writing it as cos 90 degrees. What is the reason? Because sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is the reason why I have written here. We know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine 90 minus 9 can be written as cos 9. Similarly, you take tan 81 degrees. This can also be written as tan 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. This is nothing but tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 9 degrees. The reason is because tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So basing on that, we can write that sine 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees can be taken as cos 9 degrees plus cot 9 degrees. This is the answer, children. You have converted 81 and 81 degrees to the angle between 0 and 45. So 9 is between 0 and 45. So I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. Now the next example, children, example 12. What does this says? If A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. A, B, C are interior angles of triangles ABC. That means what? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Why is it? Sum of the angles is some property of the triangle. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Now we need B plus C. In the problem they have given B plus C. Keep B plus C and send this one A there. 180 minus A. A, I have sent it there. Why did I send A? Because in the problem, you are having B plus C. So B plus C should be on the left side. So A should go to the right side. Now, on dividing both the sides by 2. What are you getting? B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus A by 2. That means b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus a by 2. I have separated here. 180 minus means 290s are. So b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a by 2 you have got. Now what you do is take, because in the problem they have given sine theta. So on taking sine on both the sides, on taking sine on both the sides, what we are getting? Sine p plus c by 2 is equal to sine, what is this? 90 minus a by 2. 90 minus a by 2. So this is nothing but sine 90 minus theta. That is nothing but cos a by 2. Why is it? Because sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is the reason why I have kept sine a by 2. Therefore, sine b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. This is what they have asked you to prove, and we have proved it. Very, very important problem, children, it is. Please note it down. I hope I am clear. Note it down. Now the next one, children, we have got exercise 11.3. The evaluate. You have to find the values of the given problems. First bit, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So either you convert tan into cot or cot into tan. It is easy, children. So let us take tan 36 degrees. It can be written as tan, you should write it as 90 minus c. From 90, if you subtract 36, how much are you getting? 4 here and 5 here. So 90 minus 54 degrees. Tan 36 is nothing but, how are you getting 36? From 90, if you subtract 54, you will be getting 36. So if you do this rough work, you will be finding it easy to do this type of problems, children. So tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot 54 degrees. The reason is tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This is the reason why we have written it cot 54. So now tan 36 degrees by cot tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees can be written as cot 54 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So these two will get cancelled. One is the answer. This is the answer for first bit, children. Now let us see the second bit. What is the second bit? Cos 12 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. So cos 12 degrees can be written as cos 90 minus. So from 90 you subtract 12, you are getting 8 here, 7 here. Sine 90 minus 78 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. So cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So you will be writing it as sine 78 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. The reason you will be writing it as cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. This is what you have utilized here. So this is nothing but these two will get cancelled. 0. 0 is the answer. This is second bit, children. Now third bit. What is the third bit? Third bit is cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. That means Let us write cosecant 31 degrees as 90 minus, see, from 90, if you subtract 31, you are getting 9 here, you are getting 5 here. So 90 minus 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. So this is nothing but cos 90 minus theta is secant theta. Secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. So what will you write? Because this, because cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So basing on this formula, you have made it secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. These two will get cancelled. 0 is the answer. So note down these 3 bits, children. 2 more bits are there. I'll be doing. First, second, third of this problem I have done. Now fourth bit, sine 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. So sine 15 degrees can be written as sine 90 minus. So from 90, if you subtract 15, how much you are getting? 5 here, 7 here. Sine 90 minus 75 degrees into secant 75 degrees. So this is nothing but sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 75 degrees into secant 75 degrees. The reason is sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Basing on that, I have changed. This means what, children? Cos 75 degrees into L, right? Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos 75 degrees. So these two will get cancelled. 1 is the answer. So this is the sum, children. Fourth bit. Now we will go to the fifth bit. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So we will be writing tan 26 degrees as 90 minus, from 90 if you subtract 26, you are getting 4 here and you are getting 6. 90 minus 60, 90 degrees minus 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. The reason here is tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So cot 64 degrees. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So 1 by 60 for tan 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees he'll be getting. These two will get cancelled. 1 is the answer. So note it down, children. This is first problem I have completed. Now second problem, first bit. Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. So you have got actually 4 tan thetas. So 2 you can convert it into cot so that you can cancel each other. So let us take tan 48 degrees. Tan 48 degrees can be written as tan 90 minus 48, 2 here, 42. So tan 90 minus 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees can be written as 90 minus, so 90 from 90 subtract 16, you are getting 4 and 7. So tan 74 degrees. Then next two you write like that only, tan 42 degrees and tan 74 degrees. So this is nothing but cot 42 degrees into cot 74 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. What is the property that we have used here? Because tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This formula we have used. So cot means what, children? 1 by tan 1 by tan 42 degrees into 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So see, tan 42, tan 42, tan 74, tan 74. This is equal to 1. So you are getting it as 1. So when you start it with LHS, this is LHS, this one what you are getting is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. You have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. This is first bit, children. I hope I am clear. See, entire problems are basing on the same trigonometrical complementary angles, 90 minus theta formulae. So you should remember those formulae perfectly well, children. Note it down. Second bit we will be doing. Second bit, cos 36 degrees, cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees and sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. So let me take LHS. Cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees. So cos 36 degrees. So can be written as cos 90 minus. So let us subtract from 90, 36 if you take, you are getting 4 here and you are getting 5. 54 into cos 54 you are getting. Okay. 54, this I am not changing. Only this I am changing. Okay. Minus sin 36 degrees. Sin 36 degrees can be written as sin 90 minus 36 means 54 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Okay. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Sin 54 degrees into cos 54 degrees you are getting LHS minus sin 90 minus theta is cos 54 degrees into sin 54 degrees. What is the property that we have used? We have used two properties because sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Both the properties we have used. We have converted cos into sin, we have converted sin into cos. See, if you see sin 94 into cos 54 minus cos 54 into sin 54. See, both are same, no? Sin 54 here, sin 54 here. Cos 54 is here, cos 54 is here. These are positive signs, these are negative signs. So all these will get cancelled. You are going to get 0. 0 is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Write down this, children. This is second problem. Now, third problem, children. Third problem, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is acute angle, find the value of a. What is given? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Now let us convert tan into cot. That means tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a. Cot 90 minus 2a is cot a minus 18. Why are you using? The reason is cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. We are using this, children. Cot 90 minus theta. Tan 2a means cot 90 minus 2a. So if you convert it, you are getting tan 2a. So this means let us cancel cot 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. This is 108 is equal to 3a. So what is a? 108 by 3. 3 3s are 3 6 are 36. Therefore, a is equal to 36 degrees is the answer, children. Please note it down. This is third problem. Now, fourth problem, children. If tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. This is the problem. Tan A is equal to cot B they have given. Tan A can be written as tan cot 90 minus A. Already we have done it in the earlier problem, children. Tan A can be written as cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B because cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Basing on this, I have converted tan into cot. Cancel these two. 90 minus A is equal to B. That means 90 is equal to B plus A. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. This is what they have asked you to prove. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. We have proved, children. Please note it down. I hope I am clear here, children. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. I converted tan to cot. Please note it down. Fifth problem. If ABC, if A, B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC, show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Same as that of the example problem, children. So, see, it is very important. A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. So, we want A plus B. So, keep A plus B here. You have to keep whatever is problem demands that. In the earlier case, B plus C. So, we have taken B plus C on the left side. Here, A plus B. So, keep A plus B here is equal to 180 minus C on dividing both the sides by 2. What are you getting? A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus C by 2. That means A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2 minus C by 2. That means A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus C by 2. Now here the problem is demanding about tan. So you have to take tan on both the sides. On taking tan on both the sides, what are you getting? This is a plus b by 2. It becomes tan a plus b by 2. So tan a plus b by 2 is equal to, this one is given as 90 minus c by 2. So you will be writing tan 90 minus c by 2, 90 degrees minus c by 2. So 90 degrees minus c by 2 is cot c by 2. The reason is tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This is the reason why you have done this. So tan a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Hence proved. Very, very, very important to some children. Either this or the other one which I have taught as an example. Both are very important. Now, sixth problem. Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios, trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and between 0 degrees and 45 degrees, same as that of our examples problem children. Sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. See children, sine 75 degrees can be written as sine 90 minus, see from 90 if you subtract 75 you are getting 5 here 1. So sine 90 minus 15 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is nothing but 90 minus. So from 90 if you subtract 65 you are getting 5 here, you are getting 2. So sine 90 minus 25 degrees. So you have converted the sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this is cos 15 degrees plus sine 90 minus theta, sorry, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, sine 25 degrees. What is the reason that we are using? Because cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta and sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Basing on this property, we have written it. So, we will be saying that sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is equal to cos 15 degrees plus sine 25 degrees. So what we have converted, above 45 degrees we have converted into below 45 degrees. This is what they have asked our children. Please note it down. With this I am going to conclude my today's part, and the next topic I will be dealing in the next class.